Hello, welcome back. I have found some new things to be adding to my collection. It is the CL's album Alpha, which is very exciting. I was kind of lucky that I found them at Barnes & Noble within the last week, and I bought the bagged one, this nice tanned brown one first, and kept thinking about it, and then I had to go back for the case. So we're gonna open both of them today and see what exciting things are on the inside. Okay, let's start with the pouch and get this opened. Ooh! I'm actually not sure what I am expecting from her CD in these two versions. I did see them online and thought about buying them because, well, my history with 21 as a whole was that I kind of became a fan after Crush, right before they disbanded. And I feel kind of bad saying that, because it does mean that I did miss out on quite a bit. That's better. Okay. Ooh. I am kind of excited to stick one of these in my car and just listen to it as I'm running about. Oh, that's pretty. Oh! Surprise things. I wasn't 100% sure if there was going to be anything in the two albums that I found, so that was kind of a surprise. Ooh, those are some very tall shoes. Looks like this is a soft cover. Ooh, it's gold! Hidden picture. Fun. Super fun. I kind of like it in the soft case though, so I'm going to gently shove it back in. There we go. And I think this outfit's my favorite. I really love that corset with the old artwork on it. It's very pretty. Alright, and then, ooh, sticker. Kind of a nice sticker. And the logo sticker. I feel like I'm forever going to be wondering which way is up. But that is okay. And then I think I really actually kind of like this CD. Plate. Cardboard case thing. That's really cool. Okay, on to the jewel case. Alright, and here is the other one I was able to find for Alpha. So it looks like a photo book and another sticker that is trying to escape, and the CD, and... Ooh! How am I gonna get that out? Because it looks like those are those removable to make a bracelet? Or are they just decorative? Well, I'm going to assume there's an L on this one, and I'm at the very least going to want to get in there and rotate it. And then probably just leave it, because those are pretty. That's awesome. That's really cute. Okay, and the two stickers. Interesting. Oh hey, this one starts in color. That's kind of cool. Let's zoom in just a little bit. Ooh, pretty. Those are some really awesome shoes. I kind of like this whole aesthetic happening with this orange outfit. Ooh. So blue. Well, that was cool. I think I liked the Jewel Cases photo book slightly better than the other one. Let's set up for an ending shot. Alright, here is our final collection of things. This was actually really exciting. I am looking forward to listening to this CD more and more, and just really glad to see CL back performing again and all of these lovely things. I have no idea what I'm going to do with these stickers. They're probably going to end up